Alright folks, come and make sourdough pizza dough with me. We're gonna start with weighing our ingredients. Let's get my scale on. Got on grams, throw my bowl on. Alright, we're gonna tare that. Now I'm going to do 100 grams of starter. Yeah, we're just over. We're 104. Okay. Very good. We're gonna do 550 on water. Watch out, Deacon. Alright, when we're getting the water ready, what do we need? 100 grams of high gluten. That's this. A little over, no big deal. Grab this one. We're going to bring that total up to 500. Perfect. All right, now we want to get it up to 900 with the bread flour. Right, let's get our water. This might be too hot. Nope, it's fine. Okay, what are we doing with the water? 550. Yep. We're a little over on the water, no big deal. 27 grams of salt. Even though it's sourdough, I'm going to put a pinch of yeast. Just to ensure that it rises. And then we want 9 grams of diastatic malt. Very nice. 10 grams of olive oil. Alright, and if I could squeeze it out, we're going to do 20 grams of honey. There we go. Close enough. Alright, I'll set this in our stand mixer. Lock it down. All right, we're gonna let that go for about 10 minutes and then get back to it. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. We turn it off. Just get it off the hook. This dough came out wet, which is fine. Alright, now we just let it bulk ferment for a little bit, then I'm going to come back and portion it out. Alright, so we're back. The dough has been bulk fermenting for probably about an hour, maybe more. Wash my hands real quick. Towel. Okay. Now, get all this out the way. So I want to divide this into 3 This is 23.26, and I know the bowl weighs 639, so let's do some math. 26 minus 639. So we got 1687. Divide that by 3. We end up with roughly 562. So that'll make like 3 decent sized pizzas, 16-inch pies. This out the way. A little flour on the counter. Like I said, this was a wetter dough, but it's tightened up. lids for those. 1, 2. Oh, looks like I'm missing. There we go. All right. So I got 3 dough balls. So you put one there. Get that out of the way. That'll work. All right. All right, so that's that. So there are the 1, 2, 3 dough balls. Those will rise. We do a cold fermentation, and yeah, let that rise. And in a day or two, it'll be 2 days, probably on Wednesday. Today's Monday, Memorial Day, but probably on Wednesday I'll make them. Normally I use a raw sauce and I let it cook in the oven, but I made some sauce the other day. It's got a lot of garlic and basil in it. It's really good. I'll probably end up throwing that on one of the pizzas. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, until then I got some dishes to do, so